Good morning, departure VinJet 379, Juliet Mike 1.5 for 3,000 and the turn to 090.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 140.
Right turn 140, 9 Juliet Mike.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 180.
Right turn 180, 9 Juliet Mike. Clear for takeoff, runway 19, 379 Juliet Mike.
Hey there, everybody. I hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for coming along on today's video. Just a short one here at John C. Toon Airport. I'm sitting in the back of my SF50 Vision Jet, and I wanted to talk to you about a situation that occurred with my newest Bose A20 headset. Essentially on a flight, it stopped working, and I contacted Bose to try to do some troubleshooting, realized there was simply something wrong with the headset. Bose immediately gave me a return authorization number and also a UPS return label so I could ship this headset back to Bose for them to complete a factory service on it at no charge or no cost to me. I shipped the headset back to Bose, and within a few days I received an email stating that they had received the headset. Shortly thereafter, maybe 2 or 3 days later, I received an email from them stating that the headset was in repair process. And ultimately, I received a subsequent email stating that the repair had been completed and that the headset was going to be shipped back to me, and they provided me with a UPS tracking number. Now, going into this, they stated that it would take about 4 weeks for this process. But ultimately, I got this headset back within 2.5 weeks. And better than that, the ear seals, the microphone windscreen, and the headset cushion were all replaced at no charge. I thought it was exceptional. These headsets are expensive, so you would expect this type of support. But I didn't expect them to return the headset in better condition in which they received it. Thank you so much, Bose Aviation, for doing such a great job and for supporting this product for me. I think it's great when companies support their product in the market, and Bose did an exceptional job. This video is not sponsored by Bose, and all the Bose headsets I use have been purchased out of my own funds. Nonetheless, thank you so much, Bose, for the support. Until next time, safe flying, and we'll see you on the next flight.
I really appreciate you watching the channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the videos. Also, click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when new videos are posted. I can't thank you enough for taking the time to send your emails, comments, and feedback. My goal is to provide even better content for you as we continue to grow the channel. Until next time, safe flying, and we'll see you on the next flight.